大家好，你好。
Insightful presentation on Chinese New Year awareness.
Please come to the stage. Miss Linda will tell us Chinese New Year and something about Chinese New Year culture.
Good morning, every respect teacher and students.
Now I invite everyone to join cake cutting ceremony. In Chinese culture, hongbao or red involves are the symbol of good luck.
निस्पिनाकना बल्पगाळै जंगी गीता विजुनाकना दमंगी गाळै स्नाल मनिस्पिनाकना बल्पगाळै जंगी गीता विजुनाकना